I like to do a lot of different things when I'm sourcing from Rebatekey. I'll either go lowest rebate or I'll go percentage rebate off and kind of go 100%, because a lot of them, as you see here, this retails for $80, you're getting it for free. That's 100% profit margin. This retails for $200, you're getting it for free. That's 100% profit margin. What I would basically do is I would go percentage rebate, and then let me show you what I'd do. I would skip this because this looks like it's like an ebook. You could buy this, $9.82. You could flip this back on eBay, or flip this back on Mercari, or flip this back on Poshmark for 100% profit margin. Now, you probably couldn't flip this back on Poshmark because it is a supplement, so keep that in mind. But the other ones you definitely could. Same thing with this one. Same thing with this one. This one retails for $34. You're spending $34 to get it. You're getting 100% rebate back, so you're getting $34.99 back. So then the product's free. So anything that you sell that for and it has a retail value of about $35 is 100% margin. Same thing with this. This is one that I think I've bought before. I definitely bought this before, but it looks like they're letting me buy it again. So if I were going to buy this, I would literally click buy product. I would spend $13.99 to do it. They would send me $13.99 back 30 days later. And as long as I can afford to wait, and there are also other ways that I go over in my course. I don't really want to get into them too much today. Kind of like using cashback credit cards to actually make money on these purchases too. So then you're going to spend $13, what is basically what I teach, right? And then you're going to wait $30, but you use the cashback credit card already to do so. So if you're dropping like $1,000 and you're getting cashback credit cards, you might be getting like $100 back in cashback that month as well, plus $933.39 just in rebates, plus whatever you sell all those items for. But this is a product I sold as well. You can see I already purchased it. It looks like it retails for $5.99. I'm getting a full rebate back. I think I sold this on Poshmark or Mercari. I don't remember which one. It might have been Poshmark for like $8 or $9. We're going to go through some examples of stuff that I sold and the margins that I made recently here in a second. But there's so many products on here. This is a goldmine, guys. I bought and sold this one recently as well. And you guys can grab all of these products or any of them if you want. If you have, $100 to spend, this is a great place to start. If you have $1,000 to spend, this is a great place to start as well. So I highly recommend that you check this out. We're going to go through some products that I've sold recently back on Mercari and Poshmark here in a second. I'll pop them. Actually, all these are actually only Mercari. I did sell a bunch of these back on Poshmark as well, but a lot of the pictures that I grabbed are strictly Mercari. So I'll pop them up on the screen right now. Let's run through a couple really fast. This one up on the screen right now is a stainless steel flask. I got this at 100% rebate on this actual website. Looks like I listed it at $14, ended up selling at $14, and I made $8.35 back. That's 100% margin, right? That was a free $8.35. Because I spent about $14 to get it, I got $14 back in a rebate, and I made $8.35 for selling it on Mercari. Now, keep in mind too, a lot of these are going to be a little bit low because I do take offers. So when I list products on Mercari or I list products on Poshmark for arbitrage and I get an offer, somebody likes it or something like that, I usually accept the offer because it's free money, right? It's 100% margin. Why wouldn't I? That said, you don't have to. If you don't want to, you can wait. You can be patient. You can sell it at a higher margin. If you guys want to, basically rank your accounts and start collecting reviews on Mercari and Poshmark and Amazon and obviously eBay as well too, you'll also be able to sell products at a higher price point in the future with more reviews and more social proof because people trust you. So just keep that in mind. So this one up on the screen right now looks like acne patches. Listed it for $8 and sold it. Ended up making about $3 back. This is all profit, guys. Remember, all profit because all this is coming back in rebates as well. So this one looks like I listed dog nail clippers, $9, made about $3.85. Listed this one, it's a thermometer, digital thermometer, $9, made $2.85. Listed this one, $9, it's a ladder ball set, made $3.85. And remember, like I said, I'm taking offers on a lot of these. You guys don't have to. So this one, sold it for $9 as well. Another free $3.85. This one, and this is all just this week. So this one looks like I made $3.75 on it. This one I made $7.45 on it. This is the one we stopped at. This one I made $2.85 on it. This is a handheld deep tissue percussion thing. This one I made $8.35 on it. It was women's lingerie. Sold it for $14. Made a net profit of $8.35. This one I sold for $19 and ended up making a profit of $12.85. So, oh, and one more, excuse me. Oh, no, there's two more. $13, Toddler silicone suction, $7.45, 100% profit margin. ultrasonic pest repeller, $15, listed for, made $9.25. So that's just a couple of them. I have so many. You guys can check out my Mercari store. If you get in the course, I basically display all that stuff for you. There's a lot of potential to be made with online arbitrage. People always ask me, is online arbitrage dying? Can I still make money with online arbitrage? And the answer is 100% yes. It is literally one of the easiest ways to multiply your money online. The only catch is you need to know where to get products very cheap, like Rebatekey, for example, and then you also need to learn where to sell them and how to sell them for a higher price. And it's basically just buy low and sell higher 101, guys.